Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. Who among the following belongs to the university wits? A. Ben Jonson, B. Thomas Kidd, C. Christopher Marlowe, D. John Lyly. The right answer is option C. Christopher Marlowe. University wits were late 16th century dramatists. They were educated at Oxford or Cambridge. Next question. The Victorian period officially begins with A. Reform Bill 1832, B. Publication of In Memoriam, C. Accession of Queen Victoria, D. Chartist movement. The right answer is option C. Accession of Queen Victoria. Year 1837 marks the beginning. Period ends in 1901. Next question. Match the author with the correct work. A. Thomas Hardy, Jude the Obscure, B. George Eliot, North and South Sea, Elizabeth Gaskell, Adam Bede, D. Charles Dickens, The Mill on the Floss. The correct combination is A. Only A, B, A and C, C only A and D, D. All the right answer is option A. Only in North and South is by Gaskell. Adam Bede and The Mill on the Floss are by George Eliot. Next question. Who wrote The Alchemist, 1610? A. Christopher Marlowe, B. Ben Jonson, C. Thomas Middleton, D. John Webster. The right answer is option B. Ben Jonson. It is a city comedy. Satirizes greed and deception. Next question. The term gynecriticism was proposed by A. Elaine Showalter, B. Kate Millett, C. Judith Butler, D. Simone de Beauvoir. The right answer is option A. Elaine Showalter. It studies women as writers. Focuses on female literary tradition. Next question. Which of the following is a Jacobean tragedy? A. Walpole, B. The Duchess of Malfi, C. Dr. Faustus, D. Every Man in His Humour. The right answer is option B. The Duchess of Malfi. Written by John Webster. Known for dark revenge themes. Next question. Who wrote The Way of the World? A. William Wycherley, B. William Congreve, C. Richard Sheridan, D. Oliver Goldsmith. The right answer is option B. William Congreve. A restoration comedy of manners. Examines wit and marriage politics. Next question. The year 1922 is significant because of the publication of A. The Waste Land and Ulysses, B. Mrs. Dalloway and the Sun Also Rises, C. Dubliners and Sons and Lovers, D. A Passage to India and Women in Love. The right answer is option A. The Waste Land and Ulysses. 1922 marks high modernism. Experimental narrative reaches peak. Next question. Who among the following is not a lake poet? A. Wordsworth, B. Coleridge, C. Southey, D. Blake. The right answer is option D. Blake. Lake poets lived in Lake District. Blake is romantic but not part of the group. Next question. The concept of hegemon Y was developed by A. Karl Marx, B. Antonio Gramsci, C. Louis Althusser, D. Georg Lukács. The right answer is option B. Antonio Gramsci. Hegemony explains cultural dominance. Power works through consent, not force alone. Next question. Which novel is earlier? A. Robinson Crusoe, B. Tom Jones, C. Pamela, D. Tristram Shandy. The right answer is option A. Robinson Crusoe, 1719. Considered early English novel. Precedes Richardson and Fielding. Next question. Who wrote The Rivals? A. Richard Sheridan, B. Oliver Goldsmith, C. Congreve, D. Wycherley. The right answer is option A. Richard Sheridan. Comedy of Manners. Introduces Mrs. Malaprop. Next question. Structuralism in literary theory became prominent during A. 18th century, B. Early 20th century, C. Mid 20th century, D. Late 19th century. The right answer is option C. Mid 20th century. Influenced by Souchot. Prominent in 1950-60 France. Next question. The absurd theatre is most associated with A. Realism, B. Existentialism, C. Romanticism, D. Naturalism. The right answer is option B. Existentialism. Influenced by Camus and Sartre. Focuses on meaninglessness and absurdity. Next question. The Harlem Renaissance belongs to A. Victorian era, B. Early 20th century America, C. Romantic period, D. Restoration. The right answer is option B. Early 20th century America. Celebrated African American culture. Langston Hughes was key figure. Next question. Who wrote The Crying of Lot 49? A. Don DeLillo, B. Thomas Pynchon, C. Kurt Vonnegut, D. Joseph Heller. The right answer is option B. Thomas Pynchon. Postmodern paranoia and fragmentation. Explores communication breakdown. Next question. The term practical criticism is linked to A. F. R. Leavis, B. I. A. Richard, C. Cleaned Brooks, D. T. S. Eliot. The right answer is option B. I. A. Richards. Encouraged close reading exercises. Removed author and context. Next question. Who wrote The Mayor of Casterbridge? A. Thomas Hardy. B. George Eliot. C. Charles Dickens. D. Anthony Trollope. The right answer is option A. Thomas Hardy. Tragic downfall of Michael Henchard. Reflects deterministic vision. Next question. Postcolonial theory gained momentum after publication of A. Culture and Anarchy. B. Orientalism. C. The Wretched of the Earth. D. The location of culture. The right answer is option B. Orientalism. Edward Said's 1978 work critiqued Western representation of East. Next question. The term metanarrative is critiqued by A. Derrida. B. Lyotard. C. Foucault. D. Barthes. The right answer is option B. Lyotard. Postmodern condition rejects grand narratives. Knowledge becomes fragmented. Next question. The Restoration period begins in A. 1649. B. 1660. C. 1688. D. 1700. Submit the right answer below in the comment box.